So far in the previous video I discussed about the regression plot about intersections. Okay, to in this video I will discuss about the new things which is called the difference between the various group means. What does it means? Suppose in your data your data have number of group. Okay, I mean data is divided into various group, maybe in number of group, and each and every group have their own means. Okay, so I need to find what is the difference between the group mean. It is nothing like that. So the heading will be like this: difference between means of group. um, Means of, oh yes, okay. To do this thing, suppose you want to make an establishment model to which are given by variable where I am storing it AOV, analysis of variance function. You need to call for this one. After that I want to make the predictions model on suppose a rat dataset, because we already work on the rat dataset with the data frame of time, and I'm making the model with rats time and they're treated, how they're treated on that. So it will be my ANOVA functions. It's fine, successfully run. After that you should have to call a function which is called turkey hsd. Turkey hsd is a function that will make the establishment of relationship between the rats time and rats treated behavior. So let's do it. Turkey hsd function you will call it here. After that you call the m, so you'll get the thing of like this, where you'll find the relationship. That what is the relationship? There is a total 4 data frames thing there, different, lower, upper and adjacents. So it will be give the answer. Yeah, it is by default count on 95% confidence interval, the given dataset result of like this. So it is quite, I mean, complicated to understand, but if you make it the plot on that, so it will be more understandable. So let the plot it. So plot the, sorry, 2 ksd, yeah, and the model of m, fine. And if you want to color, like color, give color, I want to give the color as red. Okay, red. Suppose I want to run the program and you will get the answer of like this: 95 percentile of family wise confidence interval. And let's zoom it, it will be better. So let's see what is the model establishment. You can see the highest right hand side difference at AB here. You can check it the model at here as well, where the right hand side difference is much more. AV, the first one, or BA, which is 0.0010. This is the very less value for P adjustment at the right side. None of the thing is given such value. That's why you got this thing. And you got the very less values at BC, CV actually, sorry, CV. What is the left side confidence interval? I think very less. It should be less than 0.04. So let's check it for CV. So if you check the CV, so we got the result first. Yeah, CV, you can check the interval left hand side, it is minus 0.28. It is the very less value which is make the establishment between the two relationship between C and B, which is values is very less, negative. That's why it is coming like this. So here is the different mean of their, your data have a different mean. So actually the group is there. By visualization you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 group is there. So 6 group have different meaning, and it is the mean interval. Like whatever the group A and group B interval is between this group C and A interval like this. So if you understand, Please subscribe, like and share my video. Have a nice day.